Okay, I took my hair down and it's kind of interesting. I chose to do this because my scalp was in so much pain. I don't know why that was, so I had to take it out and take a look. And it's pretty long. I haven't paid much attention to it. Okay, I'm going to little revealing videos. So you take a good close look. I'm going to share something right now that is going to be incredulous to everybody, even myself if I haven't lived through it. I haven't washed my hair in over 5 years. All I do is just, I wish you could smell it, but all I do is I use just some essential oils, primarily lavender or cedarwood, and with a wood comb, I just comb my hair. And I only comb it once a week, and then I pull it back and put a cloth or head rag or a hat over it. And this is how it's unfolded. So there you go. And I am crazy. I am crazy, but it's learning to be crazy in a constructive way. Think of all the hundreds and thousands of gallons of water and shampoo and plastic containers and all of that did not go into the landfill and that I did not waste. So you don't have to use that shampoo or conditioner. Not necessarily at all. But it's good. It's good. Well, like I say, 5 years. 5 years I haven't showered. And that's my experience. That's the truth in that regard. And that includes my body too. 5 years where I haven't showered. Simply because I was guided to because of the way the water is polluted. And so I haven't put any chlorine or any of that kind of stuff on my skin, or fluoride. Fluoride here in the States, almost all water has been fluoridated. You know, they put fluoride, which is a byproduct of nerve gas and chemical warfare. And what fluoride does is it calcifies is it the pineal, your third eye. It builds calcium, so you can't hear your guides. So, and I guess part of me could do this and have enough of a belief system to do this because of the way I grew up, growing up on that spring-fed lake up in Wisconsin that was not polluted. In the summer months, we would just jump in the water, and we never used shampoo or any of those soaps or anything like that. And our skin and hair just came out perfect. And so anyway, I'm going to be running out of time here. So that's a little my story for today.